Health officials in Kansas are reporting the largest documented outbreak of tuberculosis in U.S. history. 67 active cases of TB and 2 deaths, with dozens of other asymptomatic cases. TB is one of the world's leading infectious disease killers and is spread person to person by germs that can stay in the air for hours.
You do need prolonged contact with an infected individual. You know, if you briefly come into contact with somebody in the community, it's not very likely that you're going to contract tuberculosis. The exact reason for this specific outbreak is not yet clear.
It comes as the Trump administration changes the way federal health agencies communicate. The Department of Health and Human Services has been told to pause all non-emergency external communications until they're reviewed and approved by a presidential appointee.
Information is the lifeblood of public health. It's how we respond to outbreaks, how we respond to public health crises. And stopping that, I think, is unjustifiable, and I'd like to see that change very quickly.
The new rules on communications are causing concern after the U.S. detected a different, more rare strain of bird flu in California. A farm there reportedly forced to destroy nearly 119,000 birds.
Completely defunded
human cases of bird
all
flu
the healthcare stuff.
One death. There's been no confirmed
FDA, NIH.
When people have symptoms and get tested, we can identify if they have bird flu, but I
shut it all down.
There are probably dozens, if not hundreds, of cases out there that we have missed.
Sources say a CDC report on bird flu was not released last week because of that pause on communication from health agencies.
No communications from the CDC, any of that.
Experts say this outbreak is not something the public should be immediately alarmed about, saying TB is treatable.
I don't know. This is kind of how COVID started.
New York.
We pretty much turned off all the notifications, and then we got surprised, you know. Someone in the comment, everyone's talking about, are we vaccinated? Some are vaccinated, some are not. I think it's also that TB is like rarely brought into the country, and usually it's the migrants that are tested for it. And I don't know. It's just insane that we're at this point where like all these things that we thought we'd never experience again, all these things that we kind of thought we defeated with all the vaccine misinformation, it's really led to a lot of these
this morning health officials
things coming back to bite us. It's pretty wild.